Hi there. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to create a push certificate the first time Jamf Pro is set up. First, let's log into our Jamf Pro server and go to Settings in the top right corner. From here, go to the Global section and click Push Certificates. Click New in the top right corner. With Download Signed CSR from Jamf selected, click Next. Once the download is complete, click Next. During this next step, we'll need to sign into the Apple Push Certificate portal using an Apple ID. The same Apple ID will need to be used when renewing the push certificate each year. It's highly recommended that a generic, institutionally owned Apple ID is used to create the push certificate so it's not tied to a specific individual. Click the Apple Push Certificate portal hyperlink to open the web page in a new tab. If you need to create a new Apple ID, click Create Yours Now. Otherwise, enter your credentials to sign in. Once signed in, click Create a Certificate. Read through the terms of use, then click the box that certifies that you have done so and click Accept to proceed. Under Vendor Signed Certificate Signing Request, click Choose File, and select the Jamf Signed CSR.plist file that we previously downloaded. Click Upload, and then Upload again to create the new push certificate. On the confirmation screen, click Download to download the newly created push certificate. Once the download is complete, go back to Jamf Pro. With the push certificate created, click Next. Click Upload and choose the push certificate we just downloaded. Click Upload and then Upload again to confirm the selection. Click Done and that's it. Remember, the certificate expires every year, so before you leave, make note of when the certificate will need to be renewed. Thanks for watching.